Hi besties, and thank you so much for clicking on this video. In today's video, well, first of all, if you're new here, my name is Lindsay Johnson. I love makeup, skincare, and hanging out with you guys. And in today's video, we are going to be talking about the April Boxycharm base box, and we're going to be unboxing. I'm so excited. I can't believe this year is going by like so quickly. Is it just me? I feel like it's not. We're already in April. It's already Easter time, so hopefully we have some Easter-esque spring colors in here. I'm not sure though. If we don't, that's okay. If you guys don't already know what Boxycharm is, basically it's a monthly subscription box where you get 5 full-size products and you spend $27.99, and the products usually retail for over $200, up to $200. So super exciting, and let's jump right in. As always, I have not opened up this box yet, and you guys, mine is like all tore up. But I'm gonna go ahead and open it because I always like to get like the first reaction with you guys. Okay. It's so funny though because my girlfriend actually really loves to open these boxes, and she did before I started YouTube, so it's just funny because sometimes she's like, can I open the box? And I'm like, maybe if you do a video with me one day. And she's like, okay. Oh, is this a palette? Okay. So we have the Sour Ya Doin'. So it is like spring-esque. Yay, from Beauty Bakery. Eyeshadow palette. Ooh, I love Beauty Bakery. This is good. Let's see. Okay, and then so you see all of the lemons, the lemonades, so cute. Love the vibe. This is probably my favorite color story that I've ever got. Well, one of them that I've gotten in a Boxycharm, you guys, because the palettes usually are not the thing I'm most excited about, but this looks really cute, you guys. Let me get real close. So the Sour Ya Doin' eyeshadow palette is $38. It says these shades will make your eyes squint and then light up in surprise, rich and bold, yet soft for those who want to be subtle. So that's very exciting of eyeshadow palette. I feel like I haven't gotten a palette in a minute actually. Ooh, skincare. This looks right up my alley. So this is the Pure Heals by Nature Village Real Rose Petal Sleeping Mask. I say this is up my alley because, y'all, my favorite thing with skincare is rose. Now, I know some people don't like it and some people's skin is, you know, sensitive to that. So if your skin is sensitive to rose, you probably will not like this. My favorite product actually from Fresh is their deep hydration face mask, moisturizer, which I use every day. And I also love from Amonde Beauty their toner. So I love both of those products. So I'm hoping I like this. Oh, this looks cool. So this is what she looks like. I'll also open her up on the top so you guys can see what I'm seeing here. Oh, everything's hard to open with nails, y'all. Gosh, I don't want to like use my mouth because I have lipstick and lip gloss on. I'm looking for like tweezers. My girlfriend ended up actually having to open it for me, and she had a hard time even with her fingers, so she ended up using her mouth, you guys. But this is what it looks like up in there. You see that? It's so cool. And then you smell it. Definitely smelling some rose in there. Let's go ahead and read a little bit more information and also how much it is. Where's my card? Here it is. Okay, so, oh, by the way, the freaking theme for this month is Boxy Spring Festival. Didn't even show that. You guys see? So cute. Okay. This is $55. So the palette was $38, this is $55. Wow, okay. So I hope this works. It says the sleep mask contains real rose petals and rose water to moisturize and revitalize your dry and stressed skin while sleeping. When rolling it on the skin, it delivers rose's vital moisturizing energy to the skin with a melting technology of rose petals. So like I said, I love rose. I already know that. It's just a matter of trying it out, testing it, and seeing how I feel about it. Because $55 is a hefty price tag, but It smells really great and I'm super excited to play with it. I can't stop like looking at it, you guys. It looks so cool in there. I hope that you guys can see that. And then we actually have Christophe Robin Paris Instant Volumizing Leave-In Mist for hair. So you guys, it's been a hot minute since I received a hair product from Boxycharm, so this is exciting. It says, with rose water, uplifted roots, and fuller length. Okay, let's read a little bit more. It's like, so it's for volumizing. Christophe Robin Instant Volume Mist with rose water. Again, I really love rose, but I don't think I've ever played with anything that had rose water for my hair, so that's interesting. The mist makes thin, fine, or flat hair feel thicker and full of body while delivering an easy to style hold. Using a delicate rose blend infused formula with baobab, I hope I'm saying that right, baobab, leaf extract, and lingo elements from seawater, this mist helps enhance hair's texture and provides a lift on the roots for a long-lasting volumized look. So I am very into volume, so I hope this works out. I'll let you guys know, keep you updated. Very excited about this. Hair is one thing that you guys, I don't spend too much money on. I do enjoy the Olaplex leave-in mask, but other than that, I feel like I use a lot of like cheapy stuff, so hopefully this helps. And also, you guys, my scalp update is feeling a lot better. Y'all know I burn my scalp and then I burn the back of my neck. My neck is perfectly fine, but the scalp is definitely, you know, it's scabby. It's so gross. But it's healing, you guys. So definitely be careful when you do go get your hair done to always do patch tests. But yeah, that was $39. Dang. So like I said, it takes a lot for a product, especially with hair, to actually make me repurchase if it is pretty pricey. So yeah, then we have something from Item Beauty by Addison Rae, Lash Snack Lengthening Mascara. Oh, I mean, I'm still grateful, but I was kind of hoping, besties, that it was one of their blushes because, oh my goodness, I've been wanting to try one of her blushes really bad. But let's go see what it looks like. Is it this? Yep. Oh, her name is Item Beauty. Pull me right here. Okay. That's really cool how it just opened up like that. And then this is what, oh, this is actually cute. Like the packaging of it. I want to see how much this is though. So this is $15. I'm gonna need to check this out. I'm gonna need to try it out because you guys already know there's so many drugstore options out there. So I would need to see if this is really good quality because I think the Rem Beauty one is like $16 and the Rare Beauty is like around there too. So I need to see what the quality is like. I honestly can't tell you much because I've never tried anything from Item Beauty, but hopefully it's a good quality, besties. This is $15, like I said. It says this flake-free and smudge-proof lengthening mascara is packed with nourishing lash boosters and hydrating conditioners like, oh my gosh, castor seed oil, glycerin, and coconut oil so your lashes can live large. The unique micro wand and exclusive complex in the formula naturally enhances every single lash for 3 times the volume. Those are a lot of claims. Have you guys tried this? Let me know if you've tried anything from Addison Rae's beauty line, but oh, this is what it looks like. That looks kind of different than anything I own for mascara. Yeah. I don't know. We'll have to see, huh? If you've tried this though, please let me know your thoughts. Or like I said, if you've tried anything from her brand in general, I would love to hear about it because y'all, honestly, I have no idea. I wish I did have like more information on that, but I don't know. I have not a clue. So then we have the Persona Cosmetics 24-hour waterproof eyeliner, $14. Where? Oh, that's right here in my lap, of course. And let's go ahead and open her up. So it's in the shade Black. Okay. Oh, what? Did I just break it? I think I just might have broke mine. I'm gonna try to like see what it looks like though. Oh, it feels kind of creamy though. But I'm really sad. Did I break that? Well, here we go. Ooh, yeah, it feels really creamy. I'm gonna have to play with that more, but that quality, Like that's super black. Ooh, okay, so this will probably be something I end up really loving. Is that everything, besties? I think that was everything. Did I say the price of that? That was $14. It says intensify your eyes with this creamy 24-hour waterproof eyeliner that glides on smooth for all day to all night wear. Featuring a smooth blendable formula, this 24-hour waterproof eyeliner is ideal for both the lash line and the waterline. So I am very excited about this. Let me find a makeup wipe. I just want you guys to see real quick. I was like rubbing on it for even longer than this, but that barely budged. Like I had to put some serious force into it for it to budge, so that's great, but I will be right back. Even like with the makeup wipe, it's kind of difficult. Like it still wants to really stay on for dear life. So that's kind of cool, but oh my gosh, that would scare me like on the eyes and stuff. Like you better come off with some soap and water at least. Okay, there we go. Yeah, so it's a little red now that I had to scrub like that. That's a good thing and a bad thing, I feel like, because at the end of the day, I am not trying to like rub in the eye area, so I'm gonna have to keep you guys updated with that. And that was everything. Let me go ahead and add up the totals of everything. I feel like this video is gonna be like 10 minutes. I feel like we went through everything super quickly, so yeah, let me go ahead and total up everything and then come back with all of my final opinions and thoughts. All right, so the overall total was 161, which I believe is more than last month and the month before that. I feel like last month was like 150, so that's really cool. What am I the most excited about? Okay, so most excited, I'm sure you guys are not surprised that it's gonna have to be the Rose sleeping mask. I just love Rose skincare. I love skincare in general, you guys. So this to me is gonna be number one. Then I would say if it's a really great quality, the Christine Robin, I hope I'm saying her name right, this spray would have to be number two. The Sour Ya Doin' palette would have to be number three. I love Beauty Bakery, and to get something in this box from them, to be able to actually test out more of their products, it just makes me happy because I've never tried any of their eyeshadow formulas, so it's like the perfect time and I didn't have to go out of my way to pick it up, and I think it's beautiful for spring and summer, so I'm very excited about that. I think the packaging is also beautiful, and then I feel like you guys can guess the way it's gonna go after this. I think because of the claims on this product and all of those beautiful ingredients, I would say the Addison Rae mascara is gonna have to come in fourth place. And then the Persona Cosmetics liner is gonna have to be in fifth place. I don't know that for sure yet. I mean, I'm gonna have to play with it a little bit more because I love how black it is. I love that it's super creamy and soft, so it's not gonna tug on my under eyes or anything like that. But I just need to see how easily it comes off before I recommend it, because y'all, it's gonna stay all day, yeah, but I need to make sure I'm not like rubbing too much on the eye area because that area is so sensitive. So yeah, that would have to be fifth place until I can play with it a little bit more. Overall, I'm happy with the box. I want to say I was a little bit more excited about last month's box, but I feel like this box is cute. It's cool. I love getting new things. I keep looking at that Rose moisturizer because I'm just so excited. Well, sleeping mask. I love Rose products. Why am I like, let me look at you. I'm sorry. I'm sorry about that, besties. But anyways, yeah, 3 things of the 5 are really sticking out to me and I'm so excited about. I am very excited to see how that mascara ends up working. You guys know the mask too, the hair product. The only thing I'm really not trying to name right now is that liner because I just need to play with it because it's kind of scaring me. I feel like if I used it on the top line though, that would, ooh, excuse me, be perfect because then it wouldn't budge and it'd be super black and beautiful and it's creamy. So I think I could do a really pretty wing with that. I don't know though, I'll let you guys know, keep you updated, but even if I only ended up liking those 3 things, I'd still feel great about it because the box is $27. Hopefully 1 or 2 things stick. Usually with Boxycharm, I love it because I'm playing with new products, playing with new brands, seeing if I like new brands, and then repurchasing if I end up liking them, and just kind of forgetting about them, but not purchasing a lot from that brand that I did try and not like if I don't end up liking it, if that makes sense. So yeah, besties, I hope this video was helpful. Definitely comment down below what items you got in your box. If you got the same items, different items. I always like to chat about that. I like it when you guys comment too if you guys think the box is worth it. I feel like for me it is because I like 3 things 100%. I'm even excited about that mascara. I just don't know if I'll like it more than other drugstore mascaras, you guys. But I love you guys so much. If you guys want to sign up for Boxycharm, I will leave my link down below. If you use my link, thank you so much. If you don't want to use my link, you can still go on Boxycharm and get a box on your own, and that's great too. I love you so much. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one, besties. Bye!